Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we're talking about the Polygon Matic, a very urgent update. The currently price of Polygon, the price changes occur in the Polygon the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week price changes occur in the Polygon, and this video we discussed and what is the next target, the next move of Polygon. I also show you in this video, so keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you're new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe. I will stay tuned for more this kind of news and updates friends. Now friends, let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Polygon 0.878018 USD dollar at this time price of the Polygon. And if we talk about the price changes occur in the Polygon, so absolutely good changes occur in the Polygon, incredible crazy changes occur in the Polygon. Last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 week price change is positive, last 1 week change is positive friends. The whole changes occur in the Polygon has gone very best friends. Let's see the price chart of the Polygon Matic for more details friends. Oh my god, unbelievable changes occur, unbelievable jumps occur in the Polygon Matic in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, take a high jump Polygon. I think it's a viral coin in this time in the market friends. If you talk about the price changes occur in the Polygon in the last 1 day, so 58.87% positive change occur in the Polygon. And if we talk about the highest price, so the highest price is about 0.879696 USD dollar. In this time price is the highest price of Polygon. Now in this time frame, as you can see, the currently live price of the Polygon in the market is about 0.876261 USD dollar friends. So what's the next move of the Polygon? It is clear for all of you that now they are in the jumping mood, so I think that there is a jump continuously throughout this month friends. What's your opinion about Polygon? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends.